बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलामुअलैकुम। जाना न्यूज़ HD में खुश आमदीद। मैं हूँ आपके साथ आयशा अहमद। नजर डालते हैं आज के बुलेटिन पर। बुलेटिन में सबसे पहले दुबई से अहम खबर से आपको आगाह कर रही हैं मुत्तहिदा अरब अमारात के एक मारूफ कारोबारी इदारे المطیعہ ग्रुप और मलेनियम प्लाजा होटल के दरमियान मुश्तरका कारोबारी मंसूबों के मकसद के तहत एक तफहीमी याददाश्त पर दस्तखत और मकसद के लिए मलेनियम प्लाजा होटल दुबई में एक तकरीब मुनाकिद हुई।
जी बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम everyone. Special this night is we are thanks to Mr. Juma. Mashallah, he called that all groups he came here, and we are promoting especially المطیعہ group. المطیعہ group, this is a good achievements, and now Millennium is now our part of the group, and alhamdulillah we are going to big, and our vision is big. We will do a lot of business investments. We also doing a lot of works, and alhamdulillah in future we have a good plans and good projects. Inshallah. Especially we this evening we call that our partners and everyone. You seen that the Highness will be came here especially, and inshallah Highness will be also part of that Al-Matiyah, and it's our good sport, and we are also looking a lot of business opportunities. Inshallah, hopefully future you seen a more healthy group, and inshallah now Mr. Juma, he is tell you about that evening. How is this evening today?
First, thanks to my partner is Mr. Mufahmati about what he give the information, and today we are happy to also we said for the new partner, the people from the Millennium Downtown Hotel, and today we announce the special offer which want the people who's in the Dubai Sport Council and Sharjah Sport Council and Abu Dhabi Sport Council, they will take 25% discount from the hotel, and this offer is came from المطیعہ group. And same the time also, I think we have good plan. We start now with Mr. Muhammad Ijaz what we promised in the beginning when we signed the MOU. We will do so many events, so many projects, so many things. We are looking to bring the investor to UAE. Then we will start to the second level, which one we will going to the next country who's the GCC, and it will be global and in the Middle East. Sure. We have so many ideas. Also we have something is more important in December. We are now organized for this one with Mr. Muhammad Ijaz. Mashallah, he has so many ideas. He has planned also in Saudi Arabia. He has planned also to bring ministers, people in January. Royal family also, they will coming. Sure. Most billionaire, they will come from the world in January. Just wait for that conference, big conference. It will be in December, inshallah. And I said thanks to my partner Muhammad Ijaz about what he gave the idea to start. He pushed us also to make this, and I give chance also to Excellency Munira Al-Bluchi, because she has some information for the lady, especially for the lady. So she will talk about the lady also.
First of all, thank you to our all media partners. We are grateful and thankful and proud also for whatever been published and announced to the world, because today without media also our message will not be delivered worldwide. So thanks so much. And secondly, we thank all our partners for especially for our partner Mr. Muhammad Ijaz for doing this joint venture with a local company, and we're looking forward to do unique projects. Same time we are focusing on Emiratization in UAE as well. Same projects, and we have much more to come. In January it will be our mega event that will be more than 1,000 attendees. We will have from GCC, Royal King families. We will have from Dubai also, and alhamdulillah that we have success that our event will be under patronage. I cannot say the name now because we will have a mega inshallah conference on end of December. That time we will be announcing the unique name that the patronage and the presence will be for which highness.